Hello everybody, Backyard Bullion here. So I don't normally do a video on a Thursday, but I felt I needed to do a bit of a follow-up video to the video I put out yesterday where I was talking about stocks and shares and cryptocurrencies being in kind of a free fall from what we saw earlier in the week. And to be honest, I just can't keep up. I just cannot keep up, and that's why I'm making a third video on this topic this week. So I filmed a video on Monday afternoon, and it was talking about how silver and gold had gone down the previous week, but then we saw a resurgence in silver and gold earlier in the week because of the huge falls that we saw in the stock market and share markets. And now, of course, stocks and shares have kind of recovered a little bit. They're still lower than where they were at the end of last week, but there's been a lot of news coming out that interest rates will be increasing sooner rather than later, and that has hit the gold and silver price market quite considerably over the second part of this week. So I just wanted to make a video going essentially, oh my god, I can't keep up, I don't know what happens. It really is just a little bit of a roller coaster week, roller coaster month at the moment. In terms of where it's all going to bottom out, who knows? It could be £900 an ounce for gold, it could be £11 an ounce for silver. I just don't know, to be honest. One thing that is certain is that when interest rates look to increase, you do tend to see fall-offs in gold and silver prices, simply because it's a little bit better of a return, tangible return anyway, on government bonds, investment bonds and those types of things, whereas obviously gold doesn't necessarily pay you interest, pay you dividend. It's only about physical capital return on your assets. So it's going to be a very interesting time over the coming couple of months. You know, there's lots of buying opportunities for people out there in silver and gold, which is great. By the way, these are the 250 gram bars. I'm currently in the middle of a pouring session, so that's why I'm going to have to cut this video relatively short, but these are now being produced. They are only going to be minted to order. I've had an order of 15 of them so far, maximum mintage of 25 for these 250 gram bars. So if you're interested in any of them, then please do get in touch. As I said, maximum mintage 25, 15 ordered already, so maximum of 10 more to be made. And I'm currently in the middle of a pour cycle. Now, for those of you who are out there who have just maybe bought silver or gold a couple of days or weeks ago, please don't just like lose your hair over things. You know, prices go down, prices go up. That's the nature of it. You know, I bought an ounce of gold, close to an ounce of gold, a couple of weeks ago in the form of that Liberty Head gold dollar I showed yesterday. You know, and the inner deal hunter in all of us will be looking at anything we've bought in the last couple of weeks and wishing we'd waited. But you know, this week has just proved, you know, right out there that not anybody knows what is going to happen in any of these financial markets. You know, gold, silver, it was, I thought, a surefire thing that they would all increase over the coming weeks when we had such huge drops in stocks and share prices. Of course, you know, those drops in share prices actually, I think, fueled more people to want to get into stocks and shares because they realised that that was a particular moment for a buying opportunity. I do think that the stock market and share markets are still overvalued. I think they are at an all-time high, and that all-time high just worries me slightly. That said, I have been proved wrong many a time before, and I'm not a financial expert, certainly not a financial planner. You know, and I have definitely been wrong numerous times on purchases which I've made of silver or gold. But I think the main thing is to just remember why you're stacking, you know, stack within your means, why you're investing in gold or silver or stocks and shares or cryptocurrencies for that matter. Again, you know, that was another thing that really annoyed me this week, because every time I tried to make a video, things would change drastically in the crypto prices. You know, one minute it would be sort of $8,000, the next minute $6,000. I think currently now it's like $8,500. So it's just, you know, there's huge swings that come on a daily, weekly basis with cryptocurrencies, and you know, a lot of people are holding for the future, and I think that's an important thing to remember. Ultimately, there's one thing I want to leave you guys with, and that is that I think it's really important for everybody out there who is investing in silver and gold, who's watching the silver and gold prices going down and down and down, to remember just to enjoy your investment, enjoy your hobby. If you're sitting there losing hair, losing sleep, worrying over your investments, there might be many reasons for that. You might be thinking about the losses that you're looking at if you had to sell. Just remember about your goals. Just remember to try and enjoy your hobby. If it's a coin collection that you love, then just love your coins and love your silver. Love your hand-poured silver, love your silver coins, whatever they might be. Enjoy them, because otherwise losing your hair, losing sleep over these types of things, it's only money at the end of the day. And if you're doing it responsibly, if you're doing it conscientiously without going into debt, or you've got that kind of comfortable level of investment and buffer, then you'll enjoy your investment a lot more. So in terms of the next couple of weeks, it could be tumultuous, could be more rock and roll. It probably will be more rock and roll, to be honest. So let's watch this space. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment on what your thoughts are on the market. I mean, it's just so unknown. I really could be a billionaire if I could work out what's going to happen, but if that was possible, I guess everybody else would have done it as well. Do share your comments in this video though. If you like the video, thumbs up, share it around on your social media, that'd be very helpful. Tomorrow we've got In Focus Friday, so don't miss that. Subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell, that'll be out at 1 PM in the UK. And then over the weekend we have a big unboxing extravaganza, although that unboxing is going to probably be worth significantly less now than it was a couple of weeks ago when everybody was buying their silver. But anyway, big unboxing on Saturday and Sunday. Make sure you stick around for that. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great rest of the week. And please make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe for more.